How to lower the file size in your OBS on your PC or on your laptop. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel again, and in this video I'm going to show you to reduce any file size using OBS on your account. As you can see, this is the file in front of me, and I have to click on the setting option on the bottom right and then click on the video option. From here you can see the resolution is 1920 into 180 frame rate per second. You simply have to select a lower range output, then only you will be available to get the file in low size. If you're producing in the full size or full quality, then it won't be so small. So you can only do this through reducing the quality of the video or of your file. So this is how you can usually do the setting. We lower the file size. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this helped out, please subscribe to the channel for watching more reviews, updates, and videos like this.